That's it. Stock market Santa's here early. Stock market Santa is here early. And he's going to deliver y'all some winning trades. How about that? Sup, Artie? How's it going, bro? How's it going, my friend? Hey, Santa delivers winning short trades and long trades. Santa delivers all the good trades. Santa delivers everything you could possibly want. Why? Because I'm stock market Santa. That's why. You guys ready for stock market Santa? You guys better be ready for stock market Santa. We better be ready. How's everyone's trading day? Did you guys choose DOD today? You guys follow the system? Follow your plan? I gotta get my music playing too. Hoping I could feel some. Yeah, real love. All right. Talk to me, Team Bull. How'd everyone's morning go? One winning trade for me. $2,900, Eric. Nice. As a reminder, too, guys, Jared Tendler is live right now. Santa grabbed a shovel and dug NQ into a pit today. Something like that. I'm in no trades right now, but I'm open to taking a trade. Yesterday, I didn't think we were going to catch a trade either, and then we caught an absolute nuker. If we build some sort of base back above like 84, we can look for longs for a test for 500 plus. Otherwise, I'm only looking for shorts. Bitcoin looks like it's going to push down in the 70s range pretty soon. I could see it. Honestly, I think Bitcoin can go much lower. I'm still holding all of my Bitcoin, and I will continue to add on the way down. I will add all the way down. I will just keep adding. Can you guys believe I only captured 40 points out of that 300-point move? Beautiful things. I'm looking at NASDAQ right now. I am looking at the NASDAQ. That's it. How's everyone's focus been? Are you guys ready for 2026? Y'all ready to make some money for 2026? And have you guys finally learned your lesson about trading with drop step? If you're trading with top step still, please tell me why. Please explain to me why. Because I can't understand. I'm having a very hard time understanding. when there's so many more other great firms that you can trade on and won't go down. Yeah, Project X when it's giving you decent fills and not going down. If you guys want to make serious money and have a real trading experience for 2026, you guys got to get off Top Step. The time's up. Go to Alpha Futures, go to Funded Next, go to Tradeify. All three have top step style accounts. Better in my opinion. And of course, you guys can use Jdun if you're feeling like supporting your boy. Get payout protection and the best discount. If you're trading with Alpha, I recommend the advanced account. You get no scaling plan. Your payout cap is $15,000 per payout versus Top Step's $5,000. Funded Next Legacy plan, no consistency as well. And finally, Tradeify. Tradeify Select plan has daily payouts or Top Step style payout option. Ah, yes. If he could trade, he'd be doing it, not selling systems. Hey, everyone in chat, who made money with me this morning? Or yesterday, who made money? If you made money today or yesterday, type yes. Because apparently I don't trade on these streams. TikTok, let them know. If you made money yesterday or today, type yes. But I guess I only sit here and sell systems. That's why people show up every day, is because that's all I do. That's it. I will be at Max's event. Yup. I need to get my plane ticket and such. I will be there. Beautiful things. You see, Elon, well, someone said, Elon Musk says there's no need to save money because universal high income is coming. I actually don't disagree with that. I think universal basic income is coming. We're back, baby. I got to see, chat. I just put a poll up on YouTube. Are you ready to win 2026? If you're ready, vote yes, DOD. If no, then put you like losing money. You tell me. We better have a whole squad of DOD familia in here. Yes, let's go. Universal basic income will not be for me because Jdun is going to get me ready for 2026. You're damn right, baby. I'm going to get y'all some. Your universal basic income is going to be trading live with Jdun every day. That's your UBI. We're going to call it TBBI. It's TBBI from here on out, okay? What does that stand for? Team Bull Basic Income, baby. You trade with Team Bull, you get basic income. JDBI, Jdun Basic Income. That's what we're rocking with for 2026. I'm doing everything I can to help you all get a source of income from trading. Pay down that income. Facts. Big facts there. I wasn't really trading the orb a lot during COVID. I was trading impulse candles in volume. Same deal, but my strategy isn't the 15-minute orb. That's what you have to understand. I use the 15-minute levels, high and low. I use pre-market high and low for confluence. But I'm a retest trader. I trade higher lows and lower highs. I trade the trend with VPA. I wouldn't go long here without a solid candle confirmation. Best prop firm, I think, for beginners, probably right now, Funded Next, Alpha Futures, or Tradeify. If I had to pick one, I'd probably be Tradeify. My favorite prop firm, the one I made the most from, is Apex. Because it's scalable. It's not Top Step, bro. You are literally high on something. Definitely not sober saying that. It's not Drop Step. If you're on Top Step still, I have no sympathy for you. I'm going to be very bluntly honest. I've tried to warn y'all over and over again. Plenty of other good firms for you guys to choose from. Right now, the three most beginner-friendly firms I can recommend you are Tradeify, their Select plan, Alpha Futures, their Advanced plan, or Funded Next's Legacy plan. Those are the three I can recommend you. Code JDUN will get you the best discount possible, 25% on both Funded Next and Alpha, and 30% on Tradeify. I appreciate your support, and I will always do my best to help you guys choose DOD and give you winning trades every day. If you're going to stay patient with me, you will make progress in your trading. A lot of y'all just don't have the ability to stay patient. I like Legacy because of no consistency. No, Tradeify dominates. Take Profit Trader now. Tradeify is better in every way. No reason to trade a TPT if you're with Tradeify's new Select plan. No, there's no consistency rule. Meaning, so if you have a consistency rule, call it 50%. You can't have one day of profit bigger than 50% of your total profits. So you make $1,000, right? You have to make $2,000 to get paid out. Whereas with no consistency, you can make $50,000 in one day and make $100 your next 4 days, and then take 50% of that. You feel me? That's all consistency means. So you can take, like, if for example, on Tradeify's straight to funded accounts, they're great, but they have low consistency, so it's tougher. So if you make $500, divide that by 0.2, right, 20%, you got to make $2,500 to get paid out. There's no consistency on Tradeify's select plans either, and it's a 3-day eval instead of a 5. You get daily payouts with Red Pill, and it's end of day drawdown, not intraday. Way better. That's why if you're on Take Profit Trader, you should switch to Tradeify. You should use code Jdun for 30% off. Yeah, it's way better. Let's see if we can find you guys a winning trade during Power Hour. Thank you. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate your support. Jay Not Done. That's what they should call me. They should call me Jay Not Done for the day. Yeah, try Tradeify, bro. No intraday. It's all in today. Game changer. If you've been on Take Profit Trader, you should time to switch to Tradeify's now. Jay Diddy's crazy. I mean, I did oil up that NASDAQ this morning, but I'm done for the day. DOD just want to check in with the squad. What's good, baby? Little Diddy? What? That is insane. Who's all coming to my free masterclass? Our free masterclass on December 29th and December 30th. Who's all coming to learn DOD? Who's all coming to get prepared for 2026? Who's all there with me? Where's my money team at? It's on the line. If you're not registered yet, I should get DOD tatted, huh? If you guys need the link to register, I'll put it in chat right now. Tradeify is just better than Take Profit Trader for many reasons. If you have Take Profit Trader accounts, it's fine, but I recommend switching to Tradeify afterwards. You don't need more class, school out forever. I mean, that's not the right mindset. You should stay a student of the game. Always. You should always remain a student of the game. The reason I like Tradeify over Take Profit Trader is you have a 3-day eval instead of 5. It's end of day drawdown versus intraday unfunded. And you can still get daily payouts with Tradeify. It's way better. You can choose between daily payouts or a top step model of 5-day payouts. Nope, no consistency on either. No consistency on either for payouts. It's great. No activation fee either. It's more trader friendly for you. Chart action is a teacher. I agree with that. Screen time is a teacher. I can get behind that. I can get behind that. I can for sure get behind that. I got Santa hat on right now, Team Bull. I had a nasty chest day at the gym. Nasty, nasty chest day. I did get a W today. Jdun got exposed for winning trades every day. Got exposed for these nuts. Follow back. It's always the followers that come in talking to you. I'm like, what are you talking about? Always. I'm like, listen, I will help the haters get dubs too. I want you to choose DOD. It's got to be a sad life being a hater and spending your time on live streams spreading baloney. I got you though, my boy. I think God is telling me to stay the F out of trading. I mean, I don't agree with that. I don't know your wife, but I think that trading being tough is a sign that you just have a lot more work to do. You know? Think I'm a cutie pie? Right now, I don't see any other trades. I mean, if I had to pick a direction, I'd say short until if we build above this level right here, this like 984. If we build above this 984, that's the only area I'd like for longs. If we can build a base above this with higher volume. What's crazy, I haven't had alcohol in almost 20 months. I haven't had poison in almost 20 months. I'm going on 2 years. I honestly probably will never drink again. I was never an alcoholic. I just didn't want to drink. Decided I'd take a year off, and then that year turned into, I'm going to do another year. Best year of my life. I don't do weed, and quite frankly, I don't think weed is necessarily a good thing. This is where I lose the crowd. We talk about this like once a week. I don't think weed is a net positive for society. I just don't. I think that it's fine medicinally if you actually have a medicinal issue. Like if it's either opiates or weed, I get it, but I think for people that consistently medicate themselves with weed because they have anxiety or they're sad, it's like, well, then fucking figure out the root cause. You're a grown-ass man, bro. Focus on getting your money right. Focus on getting your health right. Focus on getting your mental right. Don't self-medicate with pot. I've been there. I've been that self-medicator. Trust me, I get it. You know, but like the root cause is what you got to get down to. And some people get mad. Some people will leave Team Bull because I say that. Some people will unfollow. Like, I'd rather you hate me for being real than love me for being fake. You know, I've had a lot of people that have came on and been like, you know, Jdun, thank you for speaking on this. I quit smoking pot. I quit drinking, and it sucked to hear, and it kind of pissed me off at first, but I've got my life together, and that's what matters to me. It's the same conversation I had with my grandma. Like, you guys know I love my grandma deeply. You want to know what conversation we had a year and a half ago, 2 years ago? We were in Hawaii, and I told her, I said, Grandma, I'm sorry, but like, you are fat and you are going to die if you stay like this. Do you want to watch your grandkid grow up? Do you want to be able to walk in 2 years? All right, well, then you need to get off the couch, stop eating shit food, and get yourself in shape. And you know what she did? She cried a little after that, but then she lost 80 pounds in the last year and a half at 75 years old. That's DOD. That is getting your life together. And when you do those things outside of trading, right? Obviously, Grandma don't trade, but she does kind of. You guys get the joke there. But if you guys do those things outside of your trading life, I guarantee that your trading will improve. If you can build discipline in your diet and in your health and in your fitness, your trading and your discipline will improve as a whole. And for a lot of you guys, that's cutting out pot. It's cutting out the procrastination. It might be cutting out video games, right? Whatever it may be, whatever's holding you back, you have to be willing to cut out in 2026. If you're not profitable, but you're spending an hour a day playing video games, you don't want it bad enough. If you're not profitable and you're smoking pot every night to avoid facing the feelings that you don't want to face, you don't want it bad enough. Sorry. I get it. It's hard. Like quitting smoking pot or nicotine. Like nicotine's a really hard one. Now I know people will say, "Oh, well, nicotine in small doses is fine," and I actually don't disagree with that. I mean, the science is the science, but you know, when you're sitting there vaping, if you were a grown man vaping, and in general, I don't care if you're profitable, you could be the most profitable trader in the world. Like, you should respect your body more and respect yourself more than to be vaping, putting poison into your body. Nicotine's extremely hard to quit. For sure. I completely agree. That shit was hard as hell. I remember when I quit vaping and nicotine, what was that? Almost 7. This January 1st will be 7. That was a New Year's resolution I kept too. I'm sorry I did litter, but I took my Juul pod. I took my Juul thing, whatever, Juul pod, Juul stick, whatever you call it. I have the video still, and I freaking launched that deal. Launched it. I never touched nicotine ever again. Never again. And those first 3 days sucked. And you know what would be cool? Here's the deal about this year's New Year's, okay? If even one of you guys wants to quit nicotine, the first 3 days are the worst. The first 3 days suck. All right, there's no getting around it. Well, what is New Year's this year? It's on a Thursday, right? Thursday. So if you quit on a Thursday, you got Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You got 4 days until the next trading day. So you will be over the hardest part by Monday's trading day. You got a perfect opportunity if you want to go with a New Year's resolution to quit smoking nicotine, say, to start weaning down right now, wean down the next 2 weeks, drink more water. What really helped me was these toothpicks. Like, that's how I got on these toothpicks back in the day. It was a nice hand to mouth motion. You guys know my famous toothpicks. Start weaning down the next 2 weeks, and then, commit January 1st, none. That's Friday. Or Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You'll be on day 5 by the time market opens Monday. Hardest part's over. So maybe no one will do that. Maybe that don't help anybody. But if I could help one person change their life in 2026, I'm going to say it. That's a win for me. I appreciate y'all just tapping in and caring what I have to say. I was in a really bad spot in my life a long time ago. I was in a bad spot in my life a long time ago, and now I'm not in a bad spot, and I like helping other people. rise up from their bad spots, like phoenixes rise up from the ashes. Your friends might be vaping. Your friends might be smoking pot. I don't care. Be better. They'll tell you changed. Good. Changing is a good thing. People say you changed like it's some sort of diss. Like, bro, you've been in the same spot for 5 years. You should want to change, you know? It's funny, you know why? When I really started taking my life seriously after I turned 20, like 2021, in that area, people were telling me I changed. I was a hermit. I was too introverted. I was boring, blah, 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 blah. Well, those same people are still in the same spot they were when we were 20, and they're asking me how to learn now. Yep, and if you want to, same deal. If you want to stop smoking pot, first few days are the hardest. Even like sleeping, bro, like the REM rebound sucks. If anyone has smoked pot a lot here, then quit, you know, the REM rebound, those dreams after are for real. You feel like you're in a damn VR headset type shit. Like it is so vivid because of the REM rebound. Like you get aggressive REM sleep when you quit smoking pot. Dreams are extremely vivid. But if you can get past that first call it week, drink lots of water. You don't sweat out pot. That's a myth. It's fat soluble, not water soluble. So the sauna won't really do a lot. It'll make you feel better mentally, but you're not going to sweat out the pot. It's fat soluble. I knew that. I was on probation back in the day. I was trying to get that shit out of my system so I could pass drug tests back when I was 18 and a bad kid. But drink lots of water. Make you feel better. Flush out your system of toxins, not necessarily pot. Exercise. And take your vitamin D, take your vitamins. You don't got to stay in the same spot. If you don't make changes, if you don't change anything, nothing will change into 2026. And that's what I want each person in this live stream to understand. Anthony said, I was addicted to pills, meth, and weed. Weed helped me wean off others, but nicotine was the last stronghold. Reading my Bible consistently, and like you said, throwing the vape in the trash was necessary. There's no in between, and life is so much more enjoyable sober. That's amazing, Anthony. That's incredible that you overcame all those things. Meth's a really hard one, too. Meth and opiates, extremely hard. The best thing for me was being a Marine. Well, thank you for your service, bro, and deploying to Afghan. Marines make men. Yup, yes, sir. Thank you for your service. It's dope. I'm watching for a trade. And there's nothing happening right now. So, I'm watching. If we get some sort of aggressive impulse candle to the downside, I'll watch for shorts. If we get a strong close above this 84, I'll watch for a retracement back up. But right now, we haven't broken that structure. Alex said, I'm so upset that I missed this 400-point drop. I don't know how to feel. I'll tell you how to feel. You should feel optimistic that you got to experience this, not go on tilt, and not revenge trade, and that you're going to have the chance to trade the setup over and over and over again. We're going to have plenty of more days of downside action like this. This wasn't the last drop ever. That's what cures FOMO, is understanding that good setups will come again and again and again. But if you FOMO and think in the now and think in frustration that you have to catch this trade and you have to trade and you have to make it up, you're not going to be able to catch the next one because you're going to be down in your confidence and you're probably going to blow your account. So that's how you cure it. You cure FOMO by understanding that good setups and trend moves will keep happening. I tell you guys this every trend up and down day. And if you tune in, if you're in Team Bull, and you've heard me say this over and over, then like if there's a big move up and you don't catch a part of it, good. There's going to be more up days. If we see a 10,000 point move down, we might not see another 10,000 point move down, but we will see another 1,000 point move. Another 2,000 point move. The setups you see today that you may miss will come again if they're good setups. And guess what? If the setup doesn't come again, it means it wasn't a good setup in the first place. That's what you have to understand. Once you understand that, you'll be in a better spot. As a reminder, guys, I'm laying it all on the line for the free webinar to end the year. So if you haven't registered yet, I'm going to put the link in YouTube chat. I'm going to say reserve your seat. DOD December 29th and December 30th. You'll get the recording if you can't attend live, though I highly recommend you attend live. You can reserve your seat and your recording right here. I just put the link in chat. If you're not on YouTube, you can also DM me on Instagram, Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free webinar at the end of the year. It's the only place I answer DMs is on IG. I do post my trades. Yep. Every trade that I take. You just have to stay for the whole stream. I only take one or two trades a day. I don't rapid fire trades. If you want me to rapid fire trades, you're in the wrong stream. I choose DOD. Day traders don't make money. Most don't. You're right. 95% won't. But guess what? Say there's 15 million traders in the world. That means 750,000 will. I bet you of those 750,000 of those, a lot will be in here. You know how many businesses fail after the first 5 years? How many restaurants fail? 80% plus. How many people get a 100K plus a year job out of college in the first 3 to 5 years? Not a lot. Hell, in the job market right now, the labor market is weak. If anybody knows anyone looking for a job, they'll tell you the labor market is very weak right now. Unemployment is high. Maybe some of you are experiencing that. Like even if you have a college degree, it is hard to get a good job right now. It is very hard for everyday people, you and I, to go get a job. So, people will, the first argument people have is, oh, well, day traders don't make money. 95% don't fail. Or 95% fail. Well, okay. 80% of businesses fail within 5 years, right? If the difference between that is 15%, I'm willing to take that risk. I don't think trading should be anyone's main or only source of income. I think unless you've had 2 consistent profitable years and you have, call it 6 months of reserves, it's really tough to make it as a trader when you're relying on trading to feed your dog and to pay your rent and to live. And unemployment's like 4.6%. What are you talking about? It's extremely low. The job market is awful. I graduated with my MBA and had zero luck finding anything. Thankfully, my internship hired me on a full-time and have a good job, but it never hurts to build multiple incomes. I agree, Roll Tide. Not Roll Tide, but I agree. And I'll root for y'all. I'll root for y'all in the playoff. I'm really rooting for Indiana, though, being from the Big Ten. I'm a Nebraska fan, all right? Every football season is painful. So all I do is just get kicked in the, you know what? You think Boomer Sooner is going to beat Alabama? I'm from Lincoln originally, bro. I went to high school in Lincoln. Yeah, I haven't taken any trades in Power Hour. We took a banger yesterday, though, in this hour. It's not super often, but I like to come on and talk psychology, talk trading. Yesterday, we caught an 80-point winner. If you're on screen share, I'll show you. This was the setup. I still have it marked out. So we broke above this 15-minute high. We had increasing volume. So on this candle, we broke up on the retest back down. We tried the longs here. Stops below this trend-setting candle. And we rode this puppy up for like 80 points. It was great. Great trade. Great systematic trade. Repeatable, effective, solid risk reward. We'll take that all day, every day. As a reminder, TikTok, if you're new here, make sure you guys tap it and hit that follow button. If you're looking to learn how to trade in 2026, or if you want every trade that I take every single day, make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. I'm also live on YouTube and inside Discord, but that's where the screen share is on YouTube, Jdun Trades. I'm live on both TikTok and YouTube for free streams every day. I don't hate any streamers. They might talk shit on me, but I don't. You'll never hear me causing drama. It's because they don't actually make any money. They use drama for clicks. I make way too much money to be concerned about drama. He is the GOAT, y'all. I can confirm. I appreciate y'all following. If someone resorts to drama for clicks, then you know that things probably aren't going great for them in their trading. Oh, okay. Hello, MOC. Hello, MOC. Hey, hi, how you doing? Yeah, YouTube is much better, to be honest. I mean, I love our TikTok fam, but the stream quality is just better. You can see all my charts, and it's just overall, people stay longer in YouTube. Jdun Trades. I'm live there every morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We're growing every day. We're growing a little more. I appreciate all y'all dedicating. Oh my gosh, look at that MOC. What the heck? Look at that market on close. Wow. We'll see if we get the 5-minute reversal. A lot of times on MOC, you'll see us move down the first 5 minutes, then we'll reverse 5 minutes in. We'll see if we get that today. But you rarely take position. People, I'm honestly a little confused. People will join Team Bull or come to any of the free live streams and be like, you don't trade. It's like, no, bro. If you want to catch my trades, you have to stick around for the full 2 hours. I take 1 to 2 trades a day. Right? I don't sit there and take 5, 6, 7 trades a day. And if that's what people are looking for, then Team Bull is not the place for them. I'm not the trader for them. But if you stick around and you listen and you stay patient, like, you will keep a high win rate, and there's a very high probability you will make money. A lot of people that trade with me make good money and consistent money. Don't even ask me that. Ask the chat, you know? Ask around. For people that choose DOD and choose the DOD system, they'll tell you. More traders getting payouts, more traders making money, more traders losing less money. It's not like I'm some hero best trader in the world. I just stay patient and don't blow myself up. That's literally what it boils down to, is if you can just not blow yourself up. You know, that's what it really ultimately boils down to. What a 5-minute candle. That's crazy. I caught 40 points of this short. And then I got stopped out. DOD has changed my life. That's awesome. Let's see here. What's the nearest low we have? We haven't been this down this low since, wow, Since November. That's crazy. Jdun, you and Team Bull got me good at this. Thanks, G. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate the love. The ultimate goal for Team Bull is for you guys to not need Team Bull or myself anymore. Oh, I love when you guys stick around and hang out. But my ultimate goal is for you to be confident enough to where you don't need myself or the team anymore. We've spawned many gurus, many people with their own groups and with their own life now, and that's great. Looks like we're not getting the 5-minute reversal, everybody. Close below low a day, aggressive volume. I really try to avoid trading the last 10 minutes too. My win rate just is not great for the last 10 minutes. Selling in the close is showing some weakness, though. Let's see what we look like on the daily. Little head and shoulders action. What's the best prop with my code right now? If I had to choose one, it'd probably be Tradeify and their select plan. Because you can choose, but when you pass your eval, it's pretty cool. You can choose whether you get 5-day payouts or daily payouts. And it's a 3-day eval. So it's better than Take Profit Trader in every way. It's end of day drawdown, not intraday. Yep. They have Trade of 8. You can choose top step style payouts if you'd like, or daily payouts, red pill or blue pill. You can get funded in 3 days. You have no consistency. It's overall just a better firm, the Top Step. So if you go to tradeify.co, you can use code Jdun for 35% off the select accounts. Weeble's cool. Weeble's fine. No consistency unfunded. Nope. I don't know about that reversal. It's not looking great. I'm in the 5-minute time frame. I watch the 1 minute, but I don't really stream it. I keep telling people they need to leave Top Step. Nobody listens to me. I keep trying to tell y'all every single day, you got to leave Top Step. Drop Step, shit step, poop step, down step. I'm running out of names for it. They got a damn freaking cult behind them. I'm going to break that cult. DOD will break that cult. Okay, well, keep trading your expresses. Keep making money on them. Choose DOD with them. If they move you to live, keep that live account and then start working on your sim defundeds elsewhere. And if you If for whatever reason something happens to your expresses, well, start over with Alpha or Tradeify or Fund Next. Apex is great too. It's just not similar to Top Step. That's why I didn't mention it. Apex isn't as beginner friendly. I personally love the scalability. The reason why someone would use a prop firm, now mind you, what is my stance towards prop firms? I'll tell you, they're a great tool, but the end all be all should be you funding a live account and making consistent money on a live account. You can gain valuable experience by having skin in the game, and by trading with real skin in the game with a prop firm. It's not paper trading, so you have to buy you have to buy an account with real money that you work hard for, and you can gain valuable experience through that. So, damn, there's that reversal coming. Just took a little bit. All right, y'all. I am going to mob off for the day. Hope you guys all had a blessed day trading with Team Bull. Hopefully you caught part of that winner with me earlier. And I look forward to trading with y'all and going to battle tomorrow, all right? Choose discipline over dopamine. Really think about what I told you guys about starting your path to quitting nicotine, to quitting your bad habits, quitting pot, and living a life that you're proud of and that you're eliminating distractions from and roadblocks from starting 2026. Hopefully that helps some of y'all, and I look forward to keeping helping y'all throughout the rest of the year in 2026. God bless y'all. Peace. Adios to the Discord. Adios to the TikTok. Make sure y'all hit that follow button if you haven't already. I trade live every day. I give my exact trades in real time. All you have to do is hit that follow button. And congratulations, you just got a live stream on your For You page that helps you make money. Don't see that often. That doesn't feed you BS. And chat will confirm that. So I appreciate y'all hitting that follow button. Same with y'all, YouTube. Thank you for being here. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace, everybody.